And my house is an old house, and it belonged to my granddaddy, and I guess it was back in '80 I started restoring the house. I thought maybe one day I would want to do something under there, but we put down the plastic cover years ago, and it lasted a few years, but it just went all to pieces. Anyway, I've had a few people that had this encapsulation done to their house, and so we talked about it, and then I just, I started Googling it and, just trying to learn about it and find out about it. The house was always cold near the floor, especially in the living room. It was on the north side. And, you felt pretty good up here, but boy, your feet would just get cold. And I don't have that problem now, But I got to tell you, when I went on there the other day to hook the electrical wire up, I was amazed how warm it was under there. Because the reason I say that, I went under there, and when I come back out that evening, it's pretty chilly out here. So I guess stopping all that air all the way around, I guess it's a lot warmer under there. When they came to do it, Justin, I believe, was the boy that worked on my project. The crew, all of them, they were all really nice, well-mannered. If you want to get the truth from the horse's mouth, you want to talk to me, because, if it's good, I'm going to tell you. If it's not, I'm going to tell you it's not. But so far, I'm on board, and I like what I've done. Yeah, I would recommend this company,